Hello YouTube fam, welcome to my channel where the unexpected is always on the menu. I know you've got something mind-blowing for you today, and trust me, you won't see it coming. Okay, I know we'll be looking for ways to create multiple Gmail accounts, or maybe you just stumbled on this video and wondered if it is possible to create multiple Gmail accounts without phone number verification. Yes, I just want to let you know it is possible. Okay, I just want you to know that the method I'll be showing you in this video is a method that you've not seen before actually. So that's why I want you to stick around and watch this video till the end. Now, I know you are used to using virtual phone number as a verification channel, but this is not what I'll be teaching you in this video. Okay, one thing about using a virtual phone number is that once it is time for you to maybe secure your account after months or weeks of creating it, okay, when it is time for Google to send you your code, it's hard because the number you rented as at when you created your account is a virtual number. It is not your own number, so it's going to be hard for you to secure your account. And one other thing, it is not a third-party website. Now, I know you've seen some other videos on YouTube telling you to use a third-party website to create multiple accounts. Now, that is not the method I'll be showing you in this video. Okay, so this method I'll be showing you is something you can do with your phone. You can also do it on your desktop or your laptop, whichever device you are using. Okay, it is straight to the point. It is not a black hat method. It is not something Google will frown out. So it is something you can easily do on your own without problem. Okay, I just want you to get ready to have your mind flipped upside down. I know you'll be wondering what exactly is this method. Okay, it's a surprise actually, so you just have to wait till the end of this video to find out what this method is. So but before we dive in, I just want you to hit the like button. I just want you to smash the subscribe button and also share this content at the end. And also you can comment on this video at the end or during this video wherever you have a problem. Maybe you are not clear with clear with the method, or you have a question you want to ask, feel free to ask and I will reply your comment. All right, so let's go straight to the business of the day. Okay, before we get started, I just want to know, if you are creating a multiple Google account, it is expected that you already have a Gmail account. So you are just trying to create more Gmail accounts, okay, from the one you already have. All right, so it's expected you have a Gmail account. It's expected you're using a browser, whether you're using your mobile phone or your desktop or whichever device you are using at all. Okay, so once you already logged into your Google, all right, like as you have here, as you can see, I'm already logged into this account. So all I need to do now is come here, click on this menu, on this icon. Sorry, normally it's supposed to display your profile image, but you can click on it. So once you click on it, you come right here where you have add account. Okay, so this is the route we'll be taking, add account. Now you can use this method to create multiple accounts, as many accounts as you want. Okay, provided you are using it for something legal. All right, this video tutorial is just to show you how to create multiple accounts, or having in mind that you are using it for something legal. Like for some persons, they have accounts for personal use, they have accounts for business use, they have accounts where they sign up for different offers on the internet. So you might want to create different accounts based on your needs, based on what you want. So once you click on the icon, it's going to give you this drop down menu. So all you need to do is you click on add account. Okay, then you come here and you're going to come here and create a new account, because we are creating a new account from scratch this time. We are not using another account, it's a new account. So you click on create account. I know if you watch some other YouTube video, they'll tell you to use for my child. That's if you don't want them to ask you for no phone number, but that's actually wrong. I tried this method using for my child, and at some point they requested for phone number. Okay, but that's not what we'll be doing. Okay, just follow exactly what I'm doing. All right, so for my personal use, that was what you select, because obviously I hope you really want to use it for your own personal use. All right, so I'll come up with a random name. So I'll come up with uh, let me use a name. Which name now should I use? So let me use okay, let me use this name. So I'm just trying to impute random names. All right, so next thing is you click next. So here you select your date of birth. So I'm going to select random date for this account. So I'll use 7th, and let's say, okay, just hope that date is okay. And the name Raymond Edwin sounds male, sounds like a male name, so I'll select male. And for the Gmail address, so I'll select this and then next. Okay, now they're asking me for password, so I'll just impute a random password for this. So I have to confirm the password to be sure it is correct. Okay, and next, click on the next button, and let's see. Now they're asking for a recovery email. Please, one thing I want you to do is don't skip this part. All right, it is very important, it is very necessary, because a time will come Google will want to verify or secure your account, so they always ask for a recovery email if you don't have a phone number. So if you skip this method, it will be hard for them to secure your account, and by that time they will now request for a phone number just because you skipped using this recovery email. So I advise you to always impute a recovery email. Okay, so here I'm going to come here, and I'm going to choose this account as my recovery email. So I'm going to select, okay, let me just put leads marketing solutions. Okay, I'll just type it there. Okay, I just have to be sure the email is correct so I don't get into any mess. Okay, so leads marketing solutions, then I'll click on next. All right, that's it. I've created an account for myself with this name. So you can see the account is already created. Okay, so you just need to agree to their terms and services and to their policies and every other thing to bring or show you. So you just have to accept all of that. Okay, so I think there's a problem from the network. So let's see what's happening. So I'm going to wait for it to load to know what the problem is. So I believe it's my network that is a bit slow. So I have to pause the video and see what exactly the problem is. Okay, the network is up, and I was able to fix it. So as you can see, the profile is here already. So I just want us to proceed. Okay, yeah. Sorry, the first one was in caps lock, so that was why I couldn't proceed at first. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Okay, so you can like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Okay, I see, drop a link to the previous video in the comment section, so you can comment, and I'll reply as soon as possible. Alright, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.